Does TensorFlow serving work with more than one input or output? According to this URL, any keras model can be exported with TensorFlow serving, as long as it only has one input and one output, which is a limitation of TF serving. Is this still true? I couldn't find other references.
You can have multiple input and output tensors and expose any combination of them in different signatures for the saved model, as long as you use the predict interface of TF serving. For examples, look at this URL. So while there may be a limitation in the keras exporter code as written, I haven't looked. There is no such limitation in saved model on TensorFlow serving. The product I am working on regularly uses the feature.
If you want to see more